Welcome to Best Pickup.
10 Best Automatic Coffee Machine New Model 2021.
Top 10.
Jura 15097 E8 Espresso Coffee Machine, 28 cm x 35 cm x 35.1 cm, chrome with black accents with TFT color display, 12 programmable specialties, and 8 programmable levels of coffee. STRENGTH 6 level AROMAG3 grinder pulse extraction process, PEP intelligent pre-brew aroma system.
Top 9.
Gaggia Anima Prestige Automatic Coffee Machine, super automatic frothing for latte, macchiato, cappuccino, and espresso drinks with programmable options, one-touch brewing and frothing, bean-to-cup feature with automatic milk frothing for cappuccinos, macchiatos and lattes. Power cord length 48 inches, programmable brewing options for lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos and espresso, steam wand, cappuccinator, capacity beans container, 250 grams, temperature control, 3 different temperature settings. Min 177.5 F, Med 182.9 F, Max 184.5 F. Easy access to water reservoir and bean hopper. Features a removable 60 ounces water reservoir that can be accessed on the top left of the machine, and an 8.8 ounce capacity bean hopper with access from the top right of the machine. Pump pressure 15 bar. Note: kindly refer the instructional video from the image section, also the user manual, which is highly essential before use.
Top 8.
Jura A1 Automatic Coffee Machine Piano White One Touch. Prepare 3 barista quality specialties including ristretto, espresso, and coffee at the touch of a button. Coffee only, perfect espresso. Ultimate coffee quality thanks to Jura's exclusive pulse extraction process, conical burr grinder. Fast and precise AROMAG3 grinder grinds whole beans to the optimum fineness. Eco-friendly. Jura is always freshly ground, not capsuled. Fresh taste with very limited waste. Single serve machine capacity, 37 ounce water tank, 4.4 ounce bean container.
Top 7.
Philips Kitchen Appliances 4300 fully automatic espresso machine with classic milk frother, BK EP432154. One size, enjoy 5 delicious coffees from fresh beans at your fingertips. Intuitive TFT display with icons makes it easy to customize the length, strength, and temperature of your coffee. Classic milk frother makes it simple to prepare worn, silky smooth frothed MILK2 user profiles to save your favorite coffee settings. Aroma extract system provides the perfect temperature, aroma and crema.
Top 6.
Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with milk frother, black, EP322144. Enjoy 4 coffees at your fingertips. Makes espresso, hot water, coffee, americano, espresso lungo. Intuitive touch display. Frequency 60 Hz. Adjust aroma strength and quantity. 12-step grinder adjustment. Aroma seal. Keep your beans fresh for longer, up to 5,000 cups without destling thanks to AquaClean removable brew group for easy cleaning.
Top 5.
Jura D6 Automatic Coffee Machine. 1. Black versatility, cappuccino, espresso and coffee maker operation, plain text displayer, Smart Connect app control, customization, adjustable water level, coffee strength and temperature grinder, fast and precise AROMAG2 integrated grinder technology, flavor optimizing pulse extraction process technology.
Top 4.
Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with LatteGo, black, EP324154. Enjoy 5 coffees. Intuitive touch display. 12-step grinder adjustment. 20,000 cups of finest coffee with durable ceramic grinders. Keep your beans fresh for longer thanks to the aroma seal. Up to 5,000 cups without destling thanks to AquaClean dishwasher safe parts for your convenience.
Top 3.
DeLonghi SAM 3300 Magnifica Super Automatic Espresso and Coffee Machine, Silver patented Cappuccino System Frother that mixes steam and milk to create a rich, creamy froth. Easy to use rotary and push-button control panel with programmable menu settings and beans. Container capacity is 8.8 ounces. Coffee grounds container 14 cups, or after 72 hours from first use. Maximum cup height 4.25 inches. Grinds beans instantly with the patented, compact and easy to clean direct-to-brew system. Use your favorite coffee beans to create your perfect espresso. Beans with less visible oil, usually a medium roast, are recommended for best grinder performance maintenance. DeLonghi machines require half the cleaning time of other brands, unlike competitor machines, which require chemical cleaning tablets monthly. The machine does not deliver coffee, but only water, is caused due to ground coffee may be blocked in the funnel. Remove the ground coffee inside the funnel, using a plastic knife. Then clean the infuser in the inside of the machine. If machine is noisy or firm, annual, energy saving, with 3-hour automatic shut-off included. Components: charcoal water filter.
Top 2.
Philips Kitchen Appliances 4300 Fully Automatic Espresso Machine with LatteGo, CR, EP 434794. One size. Enjoy 8 delicious coffees at your fingertips. LatteGo creates silky smooth froth, and is our fastest, our clean milk system ever. Intuitive TFT display with icons, makes it easy to customize the length, strength, and temperature of your coffee. 2 user profiles, to save your favorite coffee settings. Aroma extract system, provides the perfect temperature, aroma and crema.
Top 1.
Saeco Pico Barista Super Automatic Espresso Machine, 1.8 liters, stainless steel, HD 892747. Easily select one of 15 delicious drinks, or customize it to your taste with coffee equalizer, and save it to one of 6 user profile. Our patented AquaClean water filter eliminates the need to descale for up to 5,000 cups. Get superior taste for 20,000 cups with our durable ceramic grinders. The Hygestium function cleans the whole milk circuit with steam, from the spout to the milk tubes. Advanced touchscreen display.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.